大丈夫なのか、立花は。
とりあえずはね。ここだけの話。社長は随分前から腎臓をやられてんだ。このことは立花不動産でも俺しか知らない。
病気ってことか。
昔社長が腕をなくした時、輸血するまでにだいぶ手間取ってな。それで腎臓がうまいこと動かなくなった。社長の腕を落としたのはその頃敵対してた中国人マフィアどもでね。もちろん落とし前は俺がつけといた。
仇の話には聞こえねえな。
昔のことだ。俺らはその頃まだ不動産屋でもないゴロつきでさ。でもそれ以来社長は一日おきに人工透析を受けなきゃなんなくなった。こいつをやらねえと社長は死んじまうんだ。
立花はそんな体で登場界を敵に回してきたのか。
この人は体がこんなんじゃなけりゃ全部一人でこなしちまう。腎臓のことがなきゃ多分立花不動産って組織も俺やあんたさえ必要なかったろうな。
それでこれからどうする？
全部社長が目覚ましてからのことだ。安心しな。ここはカムロ町の中で唯一登場界の目が届かない場所でね。アジア界って呼ばれている。聞いたことねえか？
アジア界？
この界隈に住んでんのはアジア系の外国人だ。堂島組から身を隠すにはうってつけの場所だよ。
あんたらはそんなとこにも顔が利くのか？
俺も社長も日本人じゃないからな。
え？
俺たちはもともと在日中国マフィアだ。だからここも闇医者だよ。まっとうな病院にはかからねえからな。
出身はマフィアか。初めて聞くな。
別に隠してたわけじゃない。ただ今まで立花不動産が登場界に尻尾つかませなかったのもこのアジア街って聖域があったからだ。この辺りの店はマフィアたちにみかじめを収めててさ、外国人同士つつましくやっている。そうやってる分には登場界もアジア街を黙認するとさ。
じゃあここに俺らが出入りしていると知ればアジア街は登場界の怒りを買うってことか。
まず間違いなくな。けどうちはここの顔役にリスク以上の金を払ってる。
誰だ？
さっき言った顔役の使いだ。
陈先生在叫你，要你把那日本人也带去。
G だおら。
何か問題か？
あんたの扱いについて顔役と話をつけなきゃならない。ただあまり歓迎ムードじゃねえようだ。このビルの近くに中華の店がある。あんたにも一緒に来てもらうぞ。行こう。それじゃ顔役のところに向かうが、勝手に変なところ歩き回るなよ。うろちょろしてると面倒なことになるからな。行くぞ。アジア街の外は今頃堂島組の連中が目を光らせてる。ここにいればまず安全のはずだ。きっちり筋を通せってことなんだろう。多分な。
喂，伟田，丽华不动产到底怎么了？为什么那样的日本黑帮也要帮？
我有我的理由。走到这里，他也没有展现技术。
陈先生可不喜欢黑帮，这点你们也应该很清楚。喂，伟田， 你听到我说话吗？
我现在就是这边，钱先生，说句话，你别管我吧。
你可别得意忘形啊，尾田。丽华不动产的人就是以为万事都能用金钱解决。
小田、今のは何だ？
ああ、気にしなくていい。アジア街はお前を歓迎するってさ。なんて言っても信じねえか。
そうだな。
ああ、それより顔役には俺から話をする。お前は余計なこと言わなくていい。俺に任せてくれ。いいな。
ああ、わかった。
No, look, that's a shitty toilet. Been a very busy last few weeks. Has it been weeks? No, it's been a hot minute since I last recorded. Don't know if I mentioned it in the last video. I'll just go over it again. My brother got a promotion, so in a way, I got a promotion too, and all my coworkers did because he's starting up his own business apparently. The bosses said, "Hey, we need a cleanup crew. Do you want to start your own business and run our own cleanup crew, cleaning up construction sites around here?" It's like, "Oh shit, really?" And I was right there next to my brother when the boss man offered that to him. So not only will I get a pay raise, looks like I'll be getting insurance and workers' comp, which is very nice. Speaking on the story parts though, Tachibana has that bat tattoo that Majima's been looking for. Majima, Makoto, and Lee.
ここだ。お前も入ってくれ。
So, either Tachibana, it's a misunderstanding with Tachibana. Tachibana used to be a rat bastard, or Tachibana still is a rat bastard, but he's hiding it. I'll be quiet now.
钱先生，这我客人是日本人。你不在意，用日本语吧。こちらはアジア街の顔役で陳さん。陳さん、こちらが。
桐生一馬さんだね。元堂島組の。
陳先生は在日華僑に3人いる長老の一人だ。橘不動産の情報網にはこの方のネットワークも大きなウェイトを占めている。
アジア街に来るのは初めてだろう。狭くみすぼらしい場所だ。大したお構いもできず申し訳ない。とはいえ、これでも我々は以前このカムロ町でヤクザとも肩を並べていたんだよ。しかしそれをあなたのボス堂島宗平や風間慎太郎が力で押さえつけた。女子供含め多くの血が流され、やがて我々は地下に押し込められた。
桐生はその頃まだ堂島組にいませんでした。
無論承知している。ただの世間話だよ。
失礼しました。
その後力を失った我々は時代とともに日本人の金回りが良くなるのをずっと横目に見ていた。この狭いアジア街の中でね。小田さん、そちらの客人はアジア街に歓迎できんよ。その人はあの堂島や警察にも追われているね。ここにかくまえば災いの種になる。
それを言えば俺や社長も登場会に追われる身です。
アジア街は同胞を見捨てることはしない。だが桐生さんは日本人のヤクザだ。それなのに橘不動産はこの件我々に対して事前に話を通してもいない。
突発的なことでやむを得ませんでした。ですがここを追い出されれば桐生は堂島組に殺されます。
それでも我々は別に困らない。
待ってください。橘不動産からの上がりはアジア街にとってもでかいはずです。 今までうちとアジア街はいい取引をしてきました。その上でのたってのお願いです。
取引は対等なものだった。こちらも金に見合うだけの情報は提供してきたはずだよ。あんた方に借りはない。
承知しています。ならこの件については別に金を用意します。
私の顔に金をくれとでも書いてあるか。
じゃあ他に何が必要です。言ってください。
やめなさい。礼儀を忘れて交渉はできませんよ、小田さん。
社長。
立花、あんたもういいのか。
陳さん、お騒がせしています。小田さん、陳さんは一度下した決断を変える方じゃありません。私たちもアジア外にいる以上、そのことをわきまえておくべきです。ここに桐生さんをかくまうことはできません。
でも社長。
小田、もういい。事情はよく分かった。俺はよそに行く。
帰る前にお茶を一杯どうだね。そのくらいはここにいても構わんよ。
いえ、お気遣いなく。
すみません、桐生さん。私もあの陳さんがここまで堂島組を恐れているとは思っていませんでした。
風間のおやつさんも言ってた。何年か前、堂島組は外国人のしのぎを奪って大きくなったって聞いている。その時かなりの血が流れたらしい。
ああ、俺たちはその頃まだカムロ町にいなかった。それで陳さんとの間に温度差があったようだ。
いいんだ、俺はここを出る。また連絡してくれ。
それなら西公園で身を隠すのが良いかと。ここほど安全とは言いませんが。
西公園？
ホームレスのたまり場になっています。あそこなら堂島組もすぐに桐生さんを見つけられはしないでしょう。
分かった。それにしても今は逃げ回るので手一杯だな。殻の一坪の方はどうなってる？持ち主を抑えるって話だったはずだ。
ええ、でもその話はまた後で。西公園に行ったら今夜だけはそこでしのいでください。明日迎えに上がります。
この寒空に野宿か。
かける言葉が見つかりません。
ならあんたも一緒にどうだ。
今二人でいるのは目立ちます。それに私は明日のために少し準備がありますから。
準備？何のだ？
大したことじゃありません。
そっか。それじゃあ明日だな。
ええ、それではまた。なんとか堂島組に見つからないように気をつけてください。
分かってる。
Tachibana said I should head for West Park. I don't have any place else. Now that I've been kicked out of Little Asia, might as well take his advice. Go to West Park. Heard a rap. Oh, that's not very far at all. I'll go do something else real quick. Let's see, where else can I go? Oh, I'll go here. Manage the businesses. Let's see. But yeah, it's not gone into effect yet. My brother's still hashing it out. It's gonna take a little bit for it to happen. But it's miles better than what I used to be doing delivering pizza. Things have been going good alright for now. Just fine. I called in sick to work today. Wasn't feeling well. My sister caught a bug and I guess I caught it too. Feeling better now. Much better. I noticed on 15 on my last video that cut off early. I think that's what happened whenever one of my videos, when I was moving it from my old SD, which was corrupted, to my new one. And I also noticed the audio for some of my other videos is low, which is not good. That means you can't really hear what I'm saying, which is unfortunate. But I'm aiming to make these videos a bit shorter, not too much an hour long, because an hour is a long time. I'm usually recording this after work, and that takes a lot of my time. It also takes a little bit longer to render and edit. Okay.
儲かったな。
I should see if there's any other stores around. Just gotta walk around for a little bit. But yeah, that's been on my mind. It's pretty nice.
Oh.
Things are looking nice. Things are looking up. Gotta keep my nose to the grind. Gotta get to that. Just keep working. So there's one guy I follow on Twitter. He's things are looking real rough for him. Really rough for him. Looks like he's about to get kicked out of his apartment because he's been missing rent for multiple months now. He's trying to start up. He's an aspiring artist, but he wasn't able to make enough money, and also he couldn't find a job apparently. And he's going to be evicted, and he's going to have to pay back all the money that he was supposed to have whenever he was trying to pay rent. So he's backed up on rent. He's going to go homeless, and I feel bad for him. I feel real bad for him. That shit's rough. Real rough. But I have not the money to even help him. I tried helping. I've helped him before. Let me rephrase that. I did. And it took, back then it was a lot more money than I was making now. And I've been having to spend money weekly now. Which was just more like phone bills, rent, and also like getting my tires fixed and other shit. They all add up. But it sucks because I feel bad. I feel real bad for him. Do I regret giving him the money that I gave him initially? No. It's just sad, you know, seeing someone just slowly but surely fall.
ランクアップ。 店になったな。
Alright, all invested. Staff ready.
ガンガン稼ぐぜ。
I think I've already said, yeah, I plan to make these videos shorter, like 30 minutes long, 30 to 40 minutes, not an hour. That's that kid. What I'm also thinking about is just advancing the story more and less substance. So that what's the word? I'll take that. Because I can do the sub-stories at my own leisure. I'd rather do the sub-stories at my own leisure. But at the same time, it feels like I'm really dragging along. I've been playing this game for quite a while now. It's taking longer than I thought it would. Which is fine, I guess. If I'm turning into videos, I feel like I need to focus more on the story and then I can do like side stuff afterwards. I mean, I'm still going to do it. But I don't think I'm going to dedicate a whole part to doing like 2 sub-stories, not advancing the story. So I'm going to focus more advancing the story and then focus on cleaning up the sub-stories. Shut the fuck up. Because we can do. You won't get away. Yeah, I will. Ran out of breath. Punk ass. Oh, there was another sub-story that was right here. I guess that's over. Is that? No, it's over here, I think, yeah. Hey there, fellas.
年貢の納め時だな。
I'm trying to decide if I want to go or not, because it's going to cost me about $600 and all the DLC. The tickets are actually pretty cheap. They're like $22, which is crazy. But I don't live near any of the venues.
邪魔だ。
That was weak. Just throwing him in the wall like that? Not even like picking him up, throwing him in the wall? Just throwing him in the wall? That's it? Wow. Yeah, West Park here. But, I don't know, things are a bit better. Can't catch it as well. The dog is doing something. Oh, this one likes it. Just preparing for that. I also have some ideas for other stuff I want to do. This is why I like playing video games, of course, but there's other things I want to do. Like, I'm thinking about starting a second channel where it's just me, 2 other channels, I suppose, just uploading videos from like me playing multiplayer with my brother, my cousin, and just multiplayer in general. And also a channel where I'm reading things like poetry, excerpts from books, fan fiction, short stories, because I always like doing that. In fact, I've done some of it already. I'd like just to read it out. I noticed that some short stories I like, no one's done any readings, because they're not like official short stories. They're like fanfic, like the Warhammer 50k, The Shape of the Nightmare to Come. I'd like to read that off. It's kind of a time-consuming process, speaking, but that's what I want to do. I'll do this cutscene and then I'll end it for now. something I forgot to mention is that it's interesting how both Tachibana and Oda aren't in fact Japanese. They're Chinese mafia. And also, I thought it was an interesting choice to have Kiryu decline to drink tea with the elder. I figured that opened more doors to have like a talk with them. It wasn't just like, ooh, sit here, have pleasantries, but just more so talk about the general state of things. Maybe expand on like Little Asia and stuff. But oh well. Whew. This is West Park. Hope there's somewhere for me to sleep. Oh, it's a whole little area? Interesting. Nice. You know, Japan has an incredibly small homeless population compared to its like other countries like the UK, America especially. Countries, as I recall, there's only like 5,000 of them. Like less than 10,000 homeless people in a country that's got a population of 100 million. Crazy, right? They always tend to show up in stories like this. Tokyo Godfathers, well, not like this, but I see them pop up in a lot of Japanese stories. Homunculus, Tokyo Godfather. That kitty cat will not shut the fuck up. What does he want? Maybe attention? Hinamatsuri. They show up quite a bit.
ようあんた
ん
忘れたかこの間酒をおごってくれたろ
Oh, it's that guy.
それであんたに橘不動産の人間が出入りする場所を教えてやった
ああ確か第三公園であったな。
そうそう思い出してくれたかでもこんなとこで何してる
家がなくなってな。あんたらと同じだ。
なんだそれじゃお仲間ってわけだ
ああそれで今夜一晩どこかに寝られる場所はねえか。凍え死ななけりゃ何でもいい。
いいよそんなら俺のねぐらに寝させてやるよ
Oh, how nice.
ただ襲ったりすんな俺はそっちの毛はねえんだ
チッバカ言ってんじゃね
俺のねぐらはすぐそこあのブルーシートのやつだ好きに使ってくれそうだな一泊10万でどうだ
え。は
なんてな冗談だよ気が向いたらまた酒をおごってくれ
すまねえな。ありがとう。
いいってことよ
Shit. Working this job, it makes me consider drinking. It really does. This has to be the shelter you mentioned. Should at least keep me from freezing to death. It's still light out. I'll stay up a bit longer. That's a bit late for me. I'll go ahead and save one more time. What, kitty cat? Shut up, jeez. You're so needy. But I'll just save right here, and I'll go focus on the... There's two sub-stories over there. I'll do the one with the man in it, the angry man. What the heck? Wormwood. Huh. Wonder what it does. Hold on. What, kitty? I'll go out there. And till next time. Bye bye.